Good morning. It's Sunday the 12th. I haven't been doing much filming lately. Just trying to get everything done. Got the final coat on the body, doors, deck lid. And I'm getting ready to actually paint some of the other parts. The base coat color. First sealer and then a base coat color. So I'll bring it back when I get started. Alright, I'm back. I totally forgot to video the seal coat, but there is a seal coat. And this is the base coat. Some of the parts are going to get a candy over top. Other parts are going to stay this color. I put an inner coat clear on just so, basically I just don't have time to put the coats of candy on. So, did the inner coat clear, give it a very fine, light sanding when it's time to put the candy on. But, got as much done today as I can. Yeah, I got parts hanging over there. Anyway. Cleaning up how to use whatever I had for pedestals. Probably next weekend I'll do a final sand on the body and get that ready for sealer and base coat. That's all for today. Take care. Alright, good morning. It's Saturday the 18th. Just gonna do some more sanding on some sheet metal parts. I got a couple in there that I painted last weekend, but unfortunately I'm clumsy and I dropped. So I gotta sand them out and I'll redo them. And I'll be back. Alright, good morning, Sunday morning. I think it's the 19th. Getting ready to spray the last of the parts. Gonna put a sealer on them, which is a silver sealer. And then I'll put the base coat on. And then 2 coats of intermediate clear until I'm ready for some candy for some of the parts. I'll be back. Parts turned out pretty good. I'm not sure if you can see